Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to merge two Facebook pages. Alright, let's get started. So here you can see this is our URL. Once you go to the URL, you'll be redirected to this page, but first you have to log in with your Facebook account. So since I was logged in to my account, I was redirected to this page automatically. So first what you have to do is log in to your account and you have to be admin of that page. So over here, this is the account for which I'm using right now to merge two of my Facebook pages. Alright, here you can see this is our two pages that will be merged. So let's head back to that URL, which is facebook.com/pages/merge. Alright, so over here you can see you have to choose your source page. So here this is our source page, and now this is our destination page. So over here on the bottom side you can see there are some things that you have to remember before merging two of your pages. So you can only request a merge if you are admin for both of the pages, and the pages you merge have the same identification, and merging pages cannot be done once it is started. So these are some things that you have to remember before merging your page. So if you are okay with everything and if you agree to everything, next step what you can do is click on continue, and over here you can see there are some two pages over here, and one of the pages will be closed and the another page will be preserved. Now what you have to do is just click on merge, and over here you can see these pages cannot be merged because it is different identification and the type of page is different. So for example, if you have two pages related to clothing brand, those two pages can be merged. However, if one page is entertainment related and another is clothing brand, the two pages cannot be merged. So that is why you need to have pages with same identification, then only you'll be able to merge your Facebook page. So that's it, that is how you'll be able to merge your Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.